Hello everyone, welcome to day 7 of our STEM summer camp. My name is Connie Young and I'm a rising senior at Liberty High School.
Hi everyone, my name is Emily and I'm also a rising senior going to Friends High School.
If you haven't already, please be sure to check out our other STEM camp YouTube videos and subscribe to our channel to stay updated.
So today we're making a floating ball activity. The materials you need is just a piece of paper. It doesn't matter what piece of paper, it could be some scrap paper, that's fine too. And you need some tape, and then you also need a straw, and you need a pencil.
So your first step is you're going to use your pencil to trace a circle. I would recommend using a circular object and then just trace around it.
Yeah. So you could use a bowl, a roll of tape, or anything, and then trace a circle. After you finish tracing the circle, you're going to cut out that circle.
Now your next step is after you have your circle, fold it in half. And then fold it again the other way, so then you should have 4 quarters in your circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then use your pencil or marker and then draw from the outside of the circle all the way to the center of the circle. I'm just going to draw a line going from the center outward. And then just grab your scissors and cut along the line you just drew.
Now you're gonna fold it in and make a funnel shape so that the circle becomes a funnel shape like this. And you're just gonna tape it so that it stays in that funnel shape. So the next step is we need to cut a small hole at the very bottom, at the very tip of our funnel. So we're just gonna cut a very, very small hole, and then you bend it and then cut it. And so I created a very small hole at the very bottom. Now the next step is to take your straw. A bending straw works best, but if you don't have a bending straw, that's okay too. Now use the bendy end of the straw, so this is the bendy part, use the bendy end and stick it through the hole that you just made at the very end of your funnel. If it doesn't fit, just make your hole a little bit bigger. If you need some tape to help it stay secure, you can add some tape. After you make your ball, you just drop it into the funnel. And then all you have to do is blow through the other end of the straw. And you could try to make your ball float in the air.
So it's hard to see, but in the center, your ball should have been floating like ours was. And if it's not working, you might want to check and see if maybe your hole is too small, so the air isn't traveling all the way across the straw. Just make sure when you blow across, you can feel the air coming out from the top.
The challenge is to control your air to not make your ball come out. So that concludes our floating ball activity. Hope you guys had fun making your floating ball project.
Thank you for watching our tutorial. Bye!
Bye!
Bye.